Tired of getting lost on your adventures? Today, we'll show you how to send custom maps from Basecamp to your Garmin GPS, making navigation a breeze. First, ensure you have Garmin Basecamp installed on your computer, along with the maps you want to transfer. If you don't, download Basecamp from the Garmin website. It's completely free. Then, install the maps to Basecamp by simply following the on-screen prompts. After you download them, connect your Garmin GPS device to your computer using a USB cable. Basecamp should automatically detect your device. You will see it pop up on the left-hand side of the screen under Devices. Now, select the map data you want to send. This could be a custom-created route, waypoints, or detailed topographic maps. Right-click on the map data and choose Send to Device. A dialog box will appear listing your connected Garmin device. Select your device and then click Send. Basecamp will then prepare the data for transfer to the device. A progress bar will appear, indicating the transfer is in progress. The transfer time will vary depending on the size of the map data. Once the transfer is complete, a confirmation message will appear in Basecamp. Safely disconnect your Garmin GPS device from your computer. Power on your Garmin GPS and navigate to the map settings to ensure the newly transferred map is enabled, and that's it. You're now ready to explore with your custom maps on your Garmin GPS. Be sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more GPS tips and tricks.